With a little creativity, you can make your home more attractive and welcoming for your family and guests. A paper cup can become an elegant gift box for candies. Trim off the edges and decorate them with a paper doily. Make a hole with a hole punch. Now, you can tie the cup closed with a colored ribbon to finish off your creation. Simply adorable. Got guests for breakfast? Impress them with place settings worthy of a hotel. Get some fancy napkins and transform them into cute cookie bags. Make air fresheners using only 3 natural ingredients: gelatin, salt, and essential oils. Place them in the fridge for a bit and you're done. You can easily make a handy portable basket from a paper bag by following these steps. Add some colored tissue paper and decorations, and now you have a beautiful, sturdy basket to take on your picnics. This project is also suitable for those who are not DIY experts. Stick paper straws of different lengths around the entire base of the vase. Wow! But there's more! Place some decorative flowers into the straws to make this candle holder look even more beautiful. Outstanding!